Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure WhatsApp and your phone OS are updated. Once done, restart the device to clear temporary locks and free memory so sharing can proceed. Next, clear the app cache to remove corrupted temp files that often block share intents. While you do this, keep the file and target app ready. Knowing the file type and destination prevents repeated attempts. This combination eliminates common initial causes and prepares you for the deeper steps that follow. Now you check permissions and file validity because sharing fails when access is blocked. Go to App Permissions and enable storage and media access. This lets WhatsApp read and send files. Then verify file type and size. WhatsApp restricts certain formats and large videos, so convert or compress when needed. If the file sits on an SD card, move it to internal storage or the WhatsApp folder. External mounts can prevent share intents. Once these checks pass, attempt sharing again to see if the issue clears. To finish, perform final remedies that resolve persistent faults. Backup chats and reinstall WhatsApp. Reinstall fixes corrupted installations and resets internal handlers. Once reinstalled, test sharing the same file via a different app to confirm whether the problem is app-specific. If it still fails, reset app preferences or clear the system share via chooser to remove bad defaults. One key troubleshooting tip: if reinstalling doesn't help, test with a different account or device to determine whether the problem is account-related or device-related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.